Have a nice day, everyone. I will begin this series about engine standard practices. You remember that at chapter 20 was for standard practice for airframe, but this chapter 70 is standard practice for engines. This time, this is the video number 1 for CFM engines. These items, I select these. This is at chapter 70, standard practice for engines. This is the subjects which I selected. The day today, 15 April 2025. My photo, my YouTube channel, and this is other channel. 3 items, I hope to comply them. This is the subject or items which I selected. Terms and abbreviation. Many times we saw terms and we can't understand what is this about. This item show you the terms and the corresponding abbreviations of it. Here, consumable materials in engines. Okay, the consumable materials here. In any task, you can see there is some materials, consumable materials, other materials, components, part numbers, life-limited parts, okay, controlled items. The other items, precautions during removal and installation and engine components. The others, locking procedures, tightening procedures. The first item here, terms and abbreviation. Here you will see in your aircraft maintenance manual, chapter 70 for your aircraft and your engine. Okay, 3 columns in this table. The first one is terms. Here, the definition, the third, associated terms. This is just an example. This is the term, and this is its definition. Consumable materials. Also, you will see a list, tables for these columns. Here, descriptions, the first column. The second, code number. Here, the third, supplier, the supplier of these materials. Other items, here, precautions during removal and installation of component of engine. There is critical areas in the engine, such as air inlet cowls, bleed valves, interface with bleed valves. Why these areas is very important and need precautions. This is one area, air inlet cowl, and this is bleed valves, and this interface. Why all this important? Sometimes the pilot. C. High EGT in the engine. High EGT. Why? Any leak in the gas path, in the areas of bleeds, the tube connecting to the air starter, so and so, any leak may cause high EGT. Also, we afraid from vibration or leaks. Any mislooking or tightening in these components may make vibration and leak of air. Locking procedure. This is just for example, lock washer, this type, and other type here. Also, this is other here, castled nut, other method for locking. Here, tightening. Tightening here means you need a determined torque limit. In each task which need tightening, the task told you the torque limit and torque range size or part number or specification. Here, a table for torque range size. This is the first one. The second is torque limits. Here, limits. Here, tolerance. Tolerance means plus or minus the value which task is told you. This is an example for torque range. This is the torque range at device. The length here, from here to here, is a torque value calculated by the force here, and the length. The multiplications of the force by the length of the arm give you the torque value. Please, again, every time I advise you to refer to your aircraft maintenance manual, the chapter, this time, chapter 17, maintenance practice for the engine, this time CFM. I am waiting your comments and your suggestions. Thank you very much, and goodbye.